solve yung mga problem na ganito. Problem number 1. Okay, company profit in 1,000 pesos is modeled by the function negative 2x squared plus 12x minus 16, where x is the number of products sold in hundreds. Find the value of x that gives the highest profit. So, ang question natin, highest profit. So, ang pinag-uusapan natin is absolute, maximum. May absolute, extrema. So, dahil may highest, ibig sabihin, absolute, maximum, ang question. Yan ang hinahanap natin. Okay? So, first step, dapat alam mo muna yung mismong function. Ang function natin is negative 2x squared plus 12x minus 16. Okay? So, ang step natin dyan, hanapin yung critical number. Paano ba mahanap yung critical number? Hahanapin mo yung y prime or the first derivative. What is the first derivative of negative 2x squared plus 12x minus 16? Ito, first term, negative 4x, derivative ng 12x, plus 12. So, this is the first derivative. Okay, next, second step, alamin natin yung critical number by equating the equation into 0. So, y prime magiging 0. Negative 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. Common factor ng 4x at saka 12, negative 4. X minus 3 equals 0. So, the critical number is x minus 3 equals 0. So, the critical number is equal to 3. Okay? So, nasagutan na natin agad yung question. Find the value of x that gives the highest profit. Ang sagot natin ay at x equals 3. Justify natin kung talagang highest profit yan. Okay? So, kapag transfer natin dyan, mahahanap natin actual value. Pero gamitin natin yung second derivative test. Try lang. Okay? Second derivative test. Anong second derivative test? Ay, second derivative ng y prime is equal to negative 4x plus 12. So, ang sagot dyan, we have y double prime is equal to negative 4. And kapag negative ang ating double prime, okay, less than 0 siya, so ibig sabihin ito ay maximum. Diba sabi nga natin, kapag ang second derivative natin ay positive number, siya ay minimum. Okay? Siya ay minimum. Kapag ang double prime natin ay less than 0, okay? Less than 0, so siya ay maximum. So, ang sagot dito, negative 4, kaya siya ay maximum. Kung gusto nyo malaman yung actual value, input nyo lang at x is equal to 3 dito sa mismong main function natin. Okay. Next, sagutan natin yung, sir, question. Sa problem number 1 natin, sir, ang ginawa nating process ay yung katulad sa relative. Yes, ganun po talaga. Bakit? Wala naman kasing binigay dito na interval. At dahil walang binigay na interval, as is lang tayo. Gamitin natin yung relative na process. Okay? Next, for problem number 2. The height of the roller coaster in meter is given by the function x cubed minus 6x squared plus 9x plus 12. Find the value of x where the roller coaster changes direction from rising to falling. So, ito ay relative lang. So, bakit siya relative lang? Kasi ang tinutukoy lang natin dito ay turning point. Okay? Turning point lang. Pero hindi natin alam kung relative max ba o relative minimum yung makukuha natin. So, stick tayo sa process. Find the first derivative of the given function. We have 3x squared minus 12x plus 9. Second step. Okay, find the critical number. We have 3x squared minus 12x plus 9 equals 0. Okay, get the factor of 3x squared minus 12x plus 9. We have 3x minus 9 x minus 1 equals 0. So, 3x minus 9 equals 0, 3x equals 9, x is equal to 3. That is the first critical number. X minus 1 equals 0, x is equal to 1. So, meron tayong dalawang critical number. Critical number, we have x equals 1 and x equals 3. Question. Nasaan dyan yung maximum? Nasaan dyan yung minimum? Okay. Pwede kayong gumamit ng second derivative test. Kasi nga, ano ang second derivative test? Second derivative ng 3x squared minus 12x plus 9. Okay. We have 6x minus 12. I-transfer natin itong mga critical number dito sa second derivative. Okay? So, kapag ganon, ang double prime natin, when x is equal to 1, magiging negative 6. Gawin ko dito, 6 times 1 minus 12. So, magiging 6 minus 12 equals negative 6. So, kapag negative, sabi natin kanina, ito ay maximum. Tignan natin x is equal to 3. X times 3 minus 12, we have 18 minus 12, we have positive 6. So, dito, at x is equal to 3, we have double prime is equal to 6. So, kapag positive, ito ay minimum. Okay? So, we can say that at x is equal to 1, ma-achieve natin yung maximum. At x equals 3, ma-achieve natin yung minimum. But, hindi siya absolute. Ito ay relative lang. Okay? Kasi hindi natin alam na baka hanggang ganyan lang yan, hindi natin nakita na may mas mataas pa. Baka ang tinitingnan nilang ay from this point hanggang dito. Kaya relative minimum at relative maximum lang ang pinag-uusapan. Okay? I hope na gets nyo itong second derivative test to find if the given critical number is maximum or minimum. Okay ba? Yun lang. Kapag may question kayo, mag-drop nyo na lang yung question nyo sa ating G-Space. Okay? That's all. Bye!